After unboxing the new iPhone 11 in black, I was immediately impressed by its sleek design and knew I wanted to keep it looking good. I'm Dion from DionVideoProductions. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Clear Fusion case from Ringke. This clear back TPU case allows you to show the design and the color of your iPhone 11 while still providing some protection. This case stood out to me for two reasons. First, the overwhelmingly positive reviews on Amazon, and second, the very low price. I bought this for only £5. The packaging is very simple. Inside we have the case and some paperwork. Not all plastics are made the same, and right off the bat I can feel that this is a sturdy, high quality plastic compared to other clear cases I have tried. Both the inside and the outside of the case are protected with a thin peel-off layer. Inserting the phone is the same as with most other cases, going from top to bottom. The phone sits firmly within the case. Let's take a closer look. It is important to note that this case is slightly thicker compared to some other clear cases, thus providing more impact protection. The mute switch is easily accessible and the buttons are all covered and can be used seamlessly. There are generous cutouts for the speaker and microphone ports, and these are not affected. If we look extra closely on the corners, you can see that they are slightly raised compared to the rest of the case. This provides an extra layer of protection, particularly to the camera and screen when, for example, placed on surfaces. For those who want it, a lanyard can be attached via two small holes on the side of the case. If there's one thing I would change about this case, it would be the two holes found in the back. They are not apparent, but to me it is not clear what purpose they serve. I'm curious to see how this case will hold up over time. That said, based on my first impressions, I highly recommend this case for anyone looking for an affordable, well-built, clear case that'll keep your phone looking new. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.